Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, I will present final project basic reading. My name is Koiria Yumna. My name idea is 24018119. So, this is a analysis for journal. Paragraph 1. Education is the most important one to be drawn attention to. It is because the goal of the education itself which creates the new generation to be ready born to compete with others in global competition. To support this sector, commence 2005 thinks that government policies should attempt to influence the process of education by supporting the teaching of certain language in schools and, in some cases, by actively discouraging the maintenance of other languages, usually the language of subordinate groups within the society. The other language which is meant here is a language that can be used to communicate to the others around the world. Context clue. Definition. The other language which is meant here is a language that can be used to communicate to the others around the world. This sentence defines what is referred to as the other language in the context, which is a global communication tool. Inference. Government places should attempt to influence the process of education by supporting the teaching of certain language in school. It can be inferred that the government plays a crucial role in shaping language education policies to prepare students for global communication. 3. Modifier. Subordinate groups within the society. The word subordinate modifies groups, indicating that these groups are marginalized or hold of lower status in society. Word parts. 1. Prefix. Important, note. Sub, subordinate, under, below. 2. Root words. Compete, to strive against. Support, to hold up, assist. Inflow, influence, to affect. Maintain, to keep, preserve. 3. Suffix. Man, government, noun, action, or result. Ing, discouraging. Teaching verb action in produce. At, subordinate, adjective past participle. L, global adjective, relating to. Understanding sentence. K, idea. Education plays a crucial role in preparing new generation for global competition, and government policies should support language teaching while sometimes discouraging the maintenance of minority language. 2. Subject. Education, government policies. 3. Verb. Is education is the most important. Creates, education creates the new generation. Should attempt. Government policies should attempt to influence. Supporting. By supporting the teaching of certain language. Discouraging. By discouraging the maintenance of her language. Understanding paragraph. 1. Main idea. Education plays a crucial role in preparing new generation for global competition, with government policies influencing language education. 2. Topic. The importance of education in preparing new generation for global competition and the role of government policies in supporting language education. 3. Supporting details. Sentence 2. 4. Sentence 4. 4. Transition words. To support this sector, in some cases, usually. 4. References word. It refers to education. This sector refers to education. The other language refers to a global language used for communication. Paragraph 2. English is considered to be one of the languages which is used as a lingua franca for bridging proper communication, and the most suitable language to use in education area as a medium of instruction in teaching and learning process. In Indonesia, English has been taught as a foreign language subject in all educational levels. It starts from preschool, primary, secondary, till the tertiary one. It is so important to learn English actually from very early year for the sake of preparing the generation who will have intelligible knowledge in order to be able to compete to in this and globalization era in which the development of the technology and science has accelerated. Context clue. 1. Definition. English is considered to be one of the language which is used as a lingua franca for bridging proper communication, and the most suitable language to which education area is a medium of interaction in teaching and learning process. This sentence defines English as lingua franca and explains its role in education and communication. 2. Inference. It is so important to learn English actually from very early year for the sake of preparing the generation who have intelligible knowledge in order to be able to compete in this globalization era. It can be inferred that early English education is essential for success in a globally competitive world driven by science and technology. 3. Modifier. Foreign language subject. The word foreign modifies language, indicating that English is not a native language in Indonesia. Globalization era. The word globalization modifies era, referring to the current age of worldwide interconnectedness. Word pass. 1. Prefix. Pre, preschool, before. Trans, communication across talk. 2. Root words. Language, lingua franca, language. Education, teaching, learning. Struck, interaction, to build a range. Compete, to strive, contest. Science, knowledge, study. Tech, technology, skill, art. 3. Suffix. Ing, teaching, learning, verb, ongoing action. L, educational, adjective relating to. Ary, tertiary, adjective relating to a level. Able, intelligible, adjective capable of. Understanding sentence. 1. Key idea. English plays an important role as a lingua franca and as a medium of interaction in education, especially in Indonesia, where it's taught at all educational levels to prepare future generations for global competition. 2. Subject. English, it referring to English development. 3. Verb. English is considered to be used with its issues as a lingua franca. English has been taught as a foreign language. It starts from preschool. It is so important. Ascended development has ascended. Understanding paragraph. 1. Main idea. The importance of learning English as a lingua franca and its role as a medium interaction in education to prepare future generations for the globalized world. 2. Topic. The use of English in education to break communication and prepare students for global competition. 3. Supporting details. Sentence 2 until sentence 4. 4. Transition words. In Indonesia, it starts from, in order to. 5. Reference words. It refers to English. This globalization era refers to the modern era driven by technology and science. The generation refers to future learners or young people. Paragraph 3. In doing so, however, the concept of bilingual education, which uses two languages are Indonesian and English in one action, should be understood well. Some content subjects, such as mathematics and science, are taught bilingual. It is a challenge indeed, not only for the students but also the teachers themselves. That is because the export of English as foreign language in Indonesia is very broad, particularly on the use of language function themselves. It is also probably hard to implement this concept of bilingual education, especially in the rural area where the technology support should exist. Context clues. 1. Definition. The concept of bilingual education which use two languages, which are Indonesian and English in one action, should be understood well. This sentence defines bilingual education as the use of two languages in Indonesia and English in teaching. 2. Inference. It is also probably hard to implement this concept of bilingual education, especially in the rural area where the technology support should exist. It can be inferred that rural areas face challenges in implementing bilingual education due to a lack of technological resources. 3. Modifier. Bilingual education. The word bilingual modifies education, educating a system that uses two languages, foreign language. The word foreign modifies language, indicating that English is not native to Indonesia. Rural area. The word rural modifies area, referring to less developed regions. Word parts. Prefix be bilingual to. Implement into on. Rural again back. Root words lingual bilingual language. Teach sense knowledge. Teach teacher to instruct. Teach technology skilled art. Rural countryside. 3. Suffix. Tune education implementation nouns that are action. Bilingual rural adjective relating to self themselves reflexive pronoun. Man implement noun result of an action. Understanding sentence. 1. Key idea. The implementation of bilingual education using Indonesian and English is challenged in Indonesia, especially in rural areas, due to factors like limited technology support and broad export to English as a foreign language. 2. Subject. The concept of bilingual education, some content subject, it referring to challenge, the export of English, technology support. 3. Verb. Use two language are taught, subject are taught bilingually, it is a challenge, is export is very broad. Understanding paragraph. 1. Main idea. The challenge and importance of implementing bilingual education, particularly using Indonesia and English in Indonesia, especially in rural areas. 2. Topic. The challenge of implementing bilingual education using Indonesian and English, especially in rural areas. Supporting the text, sentence 2, 3, and sentence 5. Transition words. In doing so, however, that is because especially reference word themselves refers to students and teachers. This concept refers to bilingual education, word refers to the rural area. Paragraph 4. From such above elaboration, the study is finally conducted to investigate the use of English as a medium of interaction in content subject mathematics and science in semester bilingual senior high school. More specifically, the language function of English which are assumed to be effective to conduct application of interaction. Directing students physical behaviors, giving their or tasks. The math and science interaction, imparting theories, the concepts, facts, and information, and vocabulary extraction, helping the student understand vocabulary. Context clues. 1. Definition. The use of English as a medium of interaction in content subject, mathematics and science. This defines English a medium of interaction as the use of English to teach specific subjects like mathematics and science. 2. Inference. Language function of English which are assumed to be effective to conduct application of interaction, directing student physically behavior, giving order or tasks. It can be inferred that English serves specific purpose in teaching, such as giving interaction and explaining concepts effectively. 3. Modifier. Content subject, mathematics and science. The word content modifies subject indicating specific academic subject, effective to conduct application of interaction. The word affective modifies application of interaction, highlighting its usefulness. Vocabulary instruction. The word vocabulary modifies interaction, specifying the type of interaction being discussed. Word parts. Prefix. In, investigate, into, towards. In, interaction, into, towards. Redirecting, again, back. 2. Rote words. Directing, to lead or guide. Text, assignment or duty. Theory, theories, set of principles. Concepts, idea, talks. Help, helping, to assist. 3. Suffix. Ion, interaction, information, non-age process. In, directing, helping, verb, ongoing action. Like, specifically, adverb, in a specific manner. Understanding sentence. Key idea. The study investigates the use of English as a medium of interaction in teaching mathematics and science, focusing on language function, math and science interaction, and vocabulary interaction. 2. Subject. This study. Verb is conducted to investigate. Understanding paragraph. Main idea. The study aims to investigate the use of English as a medium of interaction in mathematics and science at semester bilingual senior high school, focusing on language function, instruction, and vocabulary. 2. Topic. The use of English in teaching content subjects like mathematics and science at semester bilingual senior high school. Supporting details. Sentence 1 until sentence 2. Transition words. Finally, more specifically. Reference words. The study refers to the research being conducted. It refers to the study. The language function refers to the specific use of English in teaching. Paragraph 5. In Edition Baker, 2001, state that academic language is the level of language required to understand academically demanding subject matter in a classroom. Such language is often abstract, without contextual support such as gesture and the waving of the subject. Context clue. Definition: academic language is the level of language required to understand academically demanding subject matter in classroom. This sentence directly defines academic language. 2. Inference: academic language is more formal and complex than everyday language, requiring higher cognitive skill to understand academic content effectively. Modifier: academically demanding modifies subject matter. Abstract modifies language. Without contextual support, modifies language by describing its characteristic. Word parts: prefix h academics to word related to. D. Demanding down away. F. Abstract away from. Contextual together with. Root words: add verb addition, state verb states, understand from understand, demand for demanding, class from classroom, abstract from abstract, context from contextual, support from support. Suffix: ion, addiction, noun, action, or process. Each academic adjective related to. Ing, vibing, noun, action, or process. Key idea: academic language is essential for understanding complex subject matter in a classroom setting, as it is often abstract and lacks contextual support. Subject: academic language. Verb: is, required states. Understanding paragraph. Main idea: academic language is essential for understanding complex subject matter in a classroom because it is often abstract and lacks contextual support. Topic: academic language and its characteristics. Supporting details: sentence 1 until sentence 2. Transition words in addition. Reference word: such language refers to academic language. The subject refers to subject matter. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.